In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure webhooks in Basecamp. Webhooks are a simple way to have Basecamp send an automatic notification to another service when something changes in a project. Once this is set up, updates in Basecamp can trigger actions elsewhere without you needing to manually check for changes. To begin, open Basecamp and go to your home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can see your projects and recent activity. From here, choose the project where you want to configure webhooks. Make sure you enter the correct project, because webhooks are set up per project and they will only listen for activity inside that specific space. After you are inside the project, look for the Files area and click on it. This takes you into the section where project documents and uploads are managed. Depending on your layout, you may need to click into Files again to fully open the Files tool or its options menu. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because the Webhooks option is found inside the Files tool settings. Next, find and select the option labeled Set up Webhooks. This will bring you to the Webhooks page for that project. Here you can view any webhooks that already exist, and you can create new ones. If you are working in a shared environment, it is a good idea to scan the list first, so you do not accidentally duplicate an existing webhook. Now click Add a new webhook. This opens the form where you will configure the webhook details. In this setup screen, click into the main field that needs to be filled in, and highlight it so you are ready to type or paste the correct value. Be careful to enter the destination exactly as required by the service receiving the webhook. A small typo can prevent notifications from being delivered. Once everything is entered as intended, review the page one more time for accuracy before you finish. Clear naming and careful entry make webhook management much easier later, especially as you add more integrations. That covers everything you need to know.